Have you ever wondered what lies beyond what our eyes can see? What secrets are hidden within a single grain of sand or a drop of water? The answer, my friends, lies in the fascinating world of microscopy. A microscope is a scientific instrument that allows us to see objects too small to be seen with the naked eye. It's like having a superpower, allowing us to explore the intricate details of a hidden universe teeming with life and wonder. Think of a microscope as a powerful magnifying glass. It uses lenses to bend light and create magnified images of tiny objects. From the intricate structures of cells to the delicate wings of insects, microscopes reveal a world that is both beautiful and awe-inspiring. They are essential tools for scientists, researchers, and anyone curious about the hidden wonders of our world. So buckle up, science enthusiasts, as we embark on an exciting journey into the realm of the microscopic. We'll delve into the different types of microscopes, explore their intricate parts, and discover the countless ways they impact our lives. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the microscopic world. Our journey begins with the most common type of microscope, the light microscope. These marvels of optics use visible light and a system of lenses to magnify objects. Light from a source, often a built-in lamp, passes through a thin specimen. The light then passes through the objective lens, which magnifies the image. Finally, the light reaches the eyepiece, further magnifying the image for our eyes to see. Light microscopes come in various forms, each with unique capabilities. Compound microscopes, with their multiple lenses, offer high magnification for observing tiny structures like cells and bacteria. Stereo microscopes, on the other hand, provide a three-dimensional view, ideal for examining larger specimens like insects or minerals. Digital microscopes connect to computers, allowing for easy viewing and sharing of images. Pocket microscopes are portable and perfect for fieldwork, offering quick magnification on the go. Electron microscopes use a beam of electrons instead of light to illuminate specimens. This allows for much higher magnifications and reveals incredible details of even smaller structures, like viruses or individual atoms. Scanning probe microscopes explore surfaces at the atomic level, providing detailed topographical maps. Now let's get up close and personal with a specific type of light microscope, the binocular microscope, a staple in many labs and classrooms. Why binocular, you ask? Well, it has two eyepieces, one for each eye, providing a more comfortable and immersive viewing experience. Eyepieces are the lenses you look through. They further magnify the image created by the objective lens. Objective lenses, mounted on a rotating nosepiece, provide different magnification levels. You can switch between them to zoom in or out on your specimen. The stage is the platform that holds your specimen securely in place. Clips prevent it from moving around while you're observing. The condenser, located below the stage, focuses light from the source onto the specimen, ensuring optimal illumination. The illuminator is the light source, often a built-in lamp, that provides the light needed to see the specimen. Focus knobs, usually located on the arm of the microscope, allow you to adjust the focus and bring the image into sharp view. Each part of the binocular microscope plays a crucial role in revealing the hidden wonders of the microscopic world. By understanding how these parts work together, we can appreciate the ingenuity of this remarkable instrument. Hold on to your hats, science fans, because we're about to enter the nano world with the electron microscope. While light microscopes use photons, those tiny packets of light electron microscopes use a focused beam of electrons. Electrons have a much shorter wavelength than light, which means we can see even smaller things. There are two main types of electron microscopes: transmission electron microscopes, TEM, and scanning electron microscopes, SEM. TEMs fire electrons through a very thin specimen, creating a highly magnified two-dimensional image. Think of it like looking at the shadow of something incredibly small. SEMs, on the other hand, scan the surface of a specimen with a beam of electrons, creating a three-dimensional image. It's like taking a high-resolution, close-up photograph of something unbelievably tiny. Electron microscopes are incredibly powerful tools for scientific research. We use them to study viruses, the inner workings of cells, the structure of materials, and so much more. Microscopes are like secret agents of science working behind the scenes in countless fields, silently shaping our world. In medicine, they are indispensable tools for diagnosing diseases, analyzing blood samples, and studying tissues for signs of illness. Doctors and researchers rely on microscopes to identify bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens that cause infections. But the reach of the microscope goes far beyond the medical field. In material science, engineers use microscopes to examine the structure of materials at the microscopic level. This helps them develop stronger, lighter, and more durable materials for buildings, airplanes, and even smartphones. Forensic scientists use microscopes to analyze evidence collected at crime scenes, such as hair fibers, paint chips, or even soil samples. By examining these tiny clues, they can piece together what happened and help solve crimes. And let's not forget about the environmental sciences. Microscopes help us monitor water quality, identify microscopic organisms in ecosystems, and study the effects of pollution on the environment. You might be surprised to learn that microscopes aren't just confined to laboratories and research facilities. They have found their way into our homes too. Have you ever seen those USB microscopes that plug right into your computer? They're great for hobbyists, students, and anyone curious about the microscopic world around them. Imagine examining the intricate details of a flower petal, a snowflake, or even your own skin up close. Microscopes are also essential tools for certain professions. Jewelers, for example, use microscopes to examine gemstones for flaws and imperfections. Stamp collectors use them to verify the authenticity of rare stamps. Even chefs are getting in on the action, using microscopes to create innovative and visually stunning dishes. The possibilities are truly endless when you have the power of magnification at your fingertips. Who knows what hidden wonders you might discover in your own home? The world of microscopy is constantly evolving, with new and exciting technologies emerging all the time. Scientists are developing even more powerful microscopes, capable of seeing objects at the atomic level and beyond. Imagine being able to see the individual atoms that make up a molecule, or the intricate details of a virus's protein coat. One groundbreaking advancement is the development of super-resolution microscopy. These techniques allow scientists to break the diffraction limit of light, which used to be a barrier to seeing objects smaller than about 200 nanometers. With super-resolution microscopy, we can now visualize structures as small as 10 nanometers, revealing unprecedented details of cellular processes and interactions. Another exciting area of development is the integration of artificial intelligence into microscopy. AI algorithms can analyze massive amounts of microscopic data, identify patterns, and even automate certain tasks, making research faster and more efficient. The future of microscopy is bright, with endless possibilities for discovery and innovation. Who knows what secrets of the microscopic world will unlock next? Microscopes have revolutionized our understanding of the world around us. They have allowed us to peer into the hidden realms of nature, revealing the intricate workings of life and the fundamental building blocks of matter. From the smallest atoms to the largest organisms, microscopes have played a pivotal role in countless scientific breakthroughs. The discovery of cells, the foundation of all living things, would not have been possible without the invention of the microscope. Our understanding of diseases, the development of antibiotics, and the advancement of medical treatments all stem from our ability to see and study the microscopic world. Microscopes have also been instrumental in developing new materials, improving food safety, and protecting the environment. They are essential tools for solving global challenges and creating a better future for all. As we conclude our journey into the realm of the microscopic, remember that there is still so much more to explore. The world beyond what our eyes can see is vast and full of wonder, just waiting for curious minds to uncover its secrets. So the next time you see a microscope, don't just walk by. Take a moment to appreciate the incredible power it holds, the power to reveal the hidden wonders of our universe, one tiny detail at a time. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop being amazed by the beauty and complexity of the microscopic world.